Hey everybody, welcome to Kitchen Journeys with Lori. Today we're going to make salmon. We're going to put a little line of oil on top of the salmon, very lightly. Add squeeze a lemon on top of it. Add salt and pepper and add lemon pepper. I've transferred my salmon into my foodie. I'm going to air fry it for 12 to 14 minutes, watching it closely. Okay, I set it for 14 minutes. I'm going to check it now. Okay, they're looking pretty good. They're almost done. I'm going to change it from air fried to broil. And I'm going to just broil it for 2 minutes. Okay, they've been going a minute and a half on broil, and I think that's pretty nice. I'm going to shut the oven off, take them out, and serve them.